Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. Coordination chemistry, determination of oxidation state of central metal ion. Already in the previous video, we have discussed the same for some about 10 coordination compound, and this is a continuous video. The coordination compound given is cobalt CO, NH3 4 times Br2Cl, Br2Cl, CO, NH3 4 times Br2Cl. To find the oxidation state of cobalt in this complex, first we should know the charge on the coordination sphere. What is the charge on the coordination sphere? Chlorine is -1, charge on the complex is +1. Charge on the complex is +1. Now separate the central metal ion and the ligands with a plus sign. 1 cobalt plus how many amine we have? 4 amine NH3 plus how many Br? 2 Br equal to what is the charge on the complex? +1. Cobalt we have to determine the oxidation state of cobalt, put it as X plus amine is a neutral ligand, therefore charge equal to 0 plus 2 into Br is a negative ligand, charge -1 equal to +1. 4 into 0 equal to 0, 2 into -1 equal to -2, X -2 equal to +1. When you bring this -2 to the right hand side, it becomes +2 +1. Oxidation state of cobalt in this complex is +3. That is indicated by cobalt 3 plus, oxidation state 3 plus, or in IUPAC nomenclature, cobalt Roman numerals 3, cobalt 3. Now I tell the IUPAC name of this compound. Tetraamine dibromido cobalt 3 chloride. Tetraamine dibromido cobalt 3 chloride. Then the next compound, we are going to determine the oxidation number of cobalt in CO, NH3 4 times Cl, Br and 1I. CO, NH3 4 times Cl, Bri. To determine the oxidation state of cobalt, the central metal ion, first we should know the charge on the coordination sphere. Iodine -1. Charge on the sphere is +1. Charge on the sphere is +1. Separate the central metal ion and the ligand with a positive sign. 1 cobalt plus how many amine? 4 NH3 plus 1 chlorine plus 1 bromine equal to +1. Equal to +1. Cobalt we have to determine, therefore put it as X. 4 into 0 plus 1 into -1 plus 1 into -1 bromine negative ligand equal to +1. x 4 into 0 equal to 0. Here you have minus 1 equal to minus 2 equal to plus 1. When you bring minus 2 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2 plus 1 equal to 3. In naming, cobalt oxidation state is 3 plus, indicate loss of 3 electron, and also CO, Roman Catholic 3, CO3. Now, what is the IUPAC name of this complex? In separate video, I will explain how to name the coordination compound. Tetra, amine, bromido, chlorido, cobalt 3 iodide. Tetra, amine, bromido, chlorido, cobalt 3 iodide. Then come to the next compound, determination of oxidation state of central metal ion. A very easy, very simple and well known compound is K4 FeCN6. K4 FeCN6. To find out the oxidation number of ion in this complex, first we should know the charge on the complex. Charge on the complex. 1 potassium 1 plus, 4 potassium 4 plus. Charge on the sphere is 4 minus. Charge on the sphere is 4 minus. 1 potassium 1 plus, 4 potassium 4 plus. Therefore, charge on the complex sphere is 4 minus. Now separate the central metal ion and the ligand. 1 Fe plus 6 Cn equal to charge on the complex is minus 4. Minus 4. Now, ion, we have to determine the oxidation state X. 6 into Cn negative ligand minus 1 equal to minus 4. X 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 6 equal to minus 4. X equal to, when you bring minus 6 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 6. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Plus 2. Oxidation state of ion is plus 2. That is indicated by Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus. In the IUPAC nomenclature, it is given as Fe2. It is given as Fe2. Now, how to name it? Potassium hexacyanido kappa C ferrate 2. Potassium hexacyanido kappa C ferrate 2. Potassium hexacyanido kappa C ferrate 2. That kappa C indicate the donor atom is carbon because Cn is ambidentate ligand. Cn is ambidentate ligand. The fourth complex is K3 FeCN6. K3 FeCN6. 1 potassium 1 plus, 3 potassium 3 plus. Therefore, charge on the coordination sphere is 3 minus. As usual, separate the central metal ion and the ligand. We have 1 Fe plus how many Cn? 6 Cn equal to minus 3. 1 Fe plus 6 Cn equal to minus 3. X plus 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. X plus 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. 6 into minus 1 equal to x minus 6 equal to minus 3. X equal to When you bring minus 6 to the right hand side, it becomes plus. So 6 minus 3 equal to plus 3. Iron Fe. Now the oxidation state is 3 plus ferric ion. Oxidation state of iron is 3 plus, it is ferric ion. That oxidation state is indicated by Roman numeral Fe3. Iron has two valency, one is 2 plus, another one is 3 plus. In this complex, iron oxidation state is 3 plus. How to name it? IUPAC name of this complex. Potassium hexacyanidocapacferrate 3. Potassium hexacyanidocapacferrate 3. Then come to the next compound. Compound number 5. Compound number 5. How to find out oxidation state of central metal ion? K2 central metal ion, Fe iron, CN3 Cl2 NH3. To find out the oxidation state of iron in this complex, we should know the charge on the square bracket. 1 potassium 1 plus, 2 potassium 2 plus. Therefore, charge on the sphere is 2 minus. Now, we can separate all these. We have 1 Fe as central metal ion and 3Cn plus 2Cl plus 1 amine NH3 equal to minus 2. X plus 3 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 equal to minus 2. Now, X 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2. 1 into 0 equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to minus 2. When you bring the minus 5 on the right hand side, it becomes plus 5. 5 minus 2 equal to plus 3. 5 minus 2 equal to plus 3. The oxidation state of iron in this complex is 3 plus. We know if the iron oxidation state is 3 plus, it is called ferric. In IUPAC name, it is indicated in Roman Catholic, Roman numeral Fe3. Now, how to name this compound? IUPAC name of the given compound is potassium amine dichlorido tricyanidocapacferrate 3. It is an anionic complex, therefore the name end with 8. Potassium amine dichlorido tricyanidocapacferrate 3. Now, come to the next compound, a very simple compound. The given compound is sixth compound. The given compound is Cr, chromium, Cr, NH3 thrice, Nc twice, H2O plus 1. Already the charge on the complex is given as plus 1. Now, simple way, first we have to separate all these by a plus sign. 1 chromium, 1 Cr plus how many amine we have? 3 NH3 plus how many Nc? 2NC plus only one aqua H2O equal to plus 1 equal to plus 1. We have to find out the oxidation state of chromium, central metal ion. X plus 3 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 equal to plus 1. X 3 into 0 equal to 0, 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2, 1 into 0 equal to 0 equal to plus 1. X equal to minus 2 bring to the right hand side. So 2 plus 1 equal to plus 3. Oxidation state of chromium in this complex is Cr3 plus. Cr3 plus. In IUPAC name, it is given in Roman numeral 3, chromium 3. Now I give the name of this compound. Name of this compound, IUPAC name. Amine aqua. Amine is first, Am. Triamine aqua dicyanide kappa N chromium 3 ion. What is the name? Triamine aqua dicyanide kappa N chromium 3 ion is the IUPAC name of this compound. Then the next compound is anionic complex. Anionic complex. Compound number 7. It is an anionic complex. Given is FeCN6 4 minus ion. Charge on the coordination sphere is directly given as 4 plus. So our work is we have to separate the atom. 1 Fe, we have how many Cn? 6 Cn, that is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. We have to find out the oxidation state of Fe, put it as X. 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 4. X minus 6 equal to minus 4 or X equal to. Bring the minus 6 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 6. 6 minus 4 equal to plus 2. Equal to plus 2. Now the oxidation state of iron is 2 plus ferrous ion. It is 2 plus ferrous ion. In IUPAC naming, it is given in Roman numeral Fe2. Now I am going to tell the IUPAC name of this complex, that is anionic complex. Hexacyanide kappa C ferrate 2 ion. Hexacyanide kappa C ferrate 2 ion. Ferrate 2 ion. Now come to compound number 8. Compound number 8. The given compound is K3 Fe Cn 5 times NO. 5 times NO. To determine the oxidation state of iron in this complex, first we should calculate the charge on the coordination sphere. 1 potassium 1 plus, 3 potassium 3 plus. Therefore, charge on the complex is 3 minus. As usual, separate all these atoms. The complex containing 1 Fe plus 5 Cn plus 1 NO equal to minus 3. 1 Fe means x plus 5 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 equal to minus 3. X 5 into minus 1 equal to minus 5 equal to minus 3. X equal to, when you bring minus 5 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 5. 5 minus 3 equal to plus 2. Value of oxidation state of iron is plus 2. Iron oxidation state is 2 plus. Fe is in 2 plus. In IUPAC nomenclature, ferrous, it is 2 plus is indicated by the Roman numeral 2. Now, how to name IUPAC name of this compound? How to name it? This ligand start with C, cyanido, N, nitrosyl. Potassium pentacyanidocappa C, nitrosyl ferrate 2. Potassium pentacyanidocappa C, nitrosyl ferrate 2. Ferrate 2. Why the name end with 8? Anionic complex means the central metal ion name end with 8. Compound number 9. Cobalt complex, cobalt CO, CO3, NH3 4 times, Cl. CO3 is a carbonate ligand. Carbonate ligand charge is 2 minus. CO3 2 minus. How to get that 2 minus? Carbon oxidation state equal to plus 4. 1 oxygen minus 2, 3 oxygen minus 6. When we add these two, we will get minus 2. 1 carbonate oxidation state is minus 2. Remember always. Now, as usual, find out the charge on the complex first. On the right hand side, as the counter ion Cl is minus 1, charge on the coordination sphere is plus 1. Separate all the atoms and the ligand. 1 cobalt plus 1 carbonate CO3 plus 4 amine NH3 equal to plus 1. Charge on the complex is plus 1. Cobalt X plus 1 into minus 2 plus 4 into amine neutral ligand 0 equal to plus 1. X minus 2, 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 2, 4 into 0 equal to 0 equal to plus 1. X equal to, when you bring minus 2 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. 2 plus 1 equal to plus 3. So, what is the oxidation state of cobalt in this complex? Cobalt is a 3 plus ion. In the IUPAC nomenclature, it is given as 1, 2, 3. Roman numeral cobalt 3. How to name is? We have carbonate negative ligand and amine neutral ligand starting with the letter A. Tetra amine carbonato cobalt 3 chloride. Tetra amine carbonato cobalt 3 chloride. IUPAC name of this compound. Come to the next compound. The compound given is Cr, chromium. Central metal ion is Cr, chromium. NH3 thrice, NH3 thrice, H2O thrice, and Cl3. To find out charge on the central metal ion, we should find out the charge on the complexes. 1 chlorine 1 minus, 3 chlorine 3 minus. 1 chlorine 1 minus, 3 chlorine 3 minus. Therefore, charge on the coordination sphere is 3 plus. Now separate all these. 1 chromium, 1 Cr plus how many amine? 3 NH3 plus how many aqua? 3 aqua H2O equal to charge on the complex is plus 3. 1 chromium oxidation state, put it as X, 3 into amine is a neutral ligand 0 plus 3 into aqua is a neutral ligand 0 equal to plus 3. X 3 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, therefore X equal to plus 3. Oxidation state of chromium in this complex is Cr3 plus, and in naming that 3 plus is indicated as Roman numeral 3. Name the complex. Triamine, triaqua, chromium 3 chloride. Triamine, triaqua, chromium 3 chloride. Then come to one palladium complex, a new one. Complex number 11. Platinum, not platinum, palladium, Pd, I2, ONO twice, H2O twice. See the complex? There is no counter ion, there is no charge on this complex. If there is no charge on the complex, the charge on the complex is taken as 0. Charge on the complex is taken as 0. Now separate. 1 palladium plus 2 iodine plus 2 ONO plus 2 H2O equal to 0. Palladium we have to determine. X plus 2 into iodine negative ligand minus 1 plus 2 into nitrito minus 1 plus 2 into aqua neutral ligand equal to 0. X 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2, 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. So, X equal to plus 4. Oxidation state of palladium is plus 4. Palladium Pd, palladium 4 plus. In naming the oxidation state given as 4, palladium 4 plus, palladium 4. The oxidation state of palladium is 4 plus. Now how to name this complex? Okay, name it. Diaqua, diiodido, dinitrito, palladium 4. That's all. Diaqua, diiodido, dinitrito, kappa O, palladium 4. Diaqua, diiodido, dinitrito, kappa O, palladium 4. Kappa O indicate in nitrito-ligand, oxygen is the donor atom. Come to the next complex, complex number 12. Complex number 12. Simple complex Fe F6 4 minus. Fe F6 4 minus. Charge on the complex given is 4 minus. Therefore, 1 Fe plus 6 fluorine equal to minus 4. Fe we have to calculate, put it as x plus 6 into F negative ligand minus 1 equal to minus 4. X minus 6 equal to minus 4. When you bring minus 6 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 6. 6 minus 4 equal to plus 2. Plus 2. Oxidation state of Fe in this complex is plus 2. So, that is indicated by Fe ferrous ion 2 plus or Fe oxidation state is Roman numeral 2. Oxidation state is 2. Now, how to name it? Hexafluoridoferrate 2 ion. What is the name? Hexafluoridoferrate 2 ion. Fe has two valency, we know. One is 2 plus, another one is 3 plus. 2 plus means name end with as, 3 plus means name end with ic, ferric. But in coordination compound, the central metal ion of anionic complex end with 8. That's why hexafluoridoferrate 2 ion. So, this is about the determination of oxidation state of central metal ion in coordination compound. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.